Hi guys, Kaylee here from ZEAL Pro. We're here to show you how to put on an e-bike cover. Now the e-bike cover is for all the non-traditional bike geometries. That's anything that doesn't look like a road bike or a mountain bike. What helps is inside there's a harness, which will help get that wide variety of ranges of sizes. All right guys, so locate the bottom half of your bike cover. There's not gonna be a logo anywhere on this. And we'll have two small straps on the outside. These are to go onto your bike tray. You take the two straps and adjust them to the size of your bike rack, then attach them securely around it. Attach the second side of the bike cover. Attaching the straps around it will allow this to not move when you load your bike into it. Okay, after attaching both ends, you're going to open it up and make sure that it is even across the middle. You'll see two seams. Two seams, make sure they go down the middle of the bar, so when you roll your bike on, it doesn't fall off. Okay, after you get your bike into the rack, you need to secure the front tire, however your rack does that, to make sure that it doesn't fall over while you're attaching the rest of the bike cover to itself. After you secure the bottom half on, find the top cover, and there's a handlebar and a back end. This is the front of the bike bag with the handlebars that can fit up to a 14-inch basket in this expansion zipper. You unzip it before you put it on the bike. Put it over your handlebars first. All right, it's super important that you put the handlebars in first in order to fit everything else in smoothly. We already unzipped the expansion pack for the 14-inch basket, and it will go nicely over the front wheel as you pull them all down together. Next, we're gonna go back to the seat and toss the cover over the top of the seat. Next, you wanna cinch up the internal harness. There's two sets of zippers on this bag, just like a sleeping bag. You need to put the zipper together, go from the back tire to the front, start over again, front tire to the back tire. Now that we've reached the front, we need to release the lever and pull the bag through, and then re-secure the front tire with the bag underneath of it. Now that we've gotten to the front, we need to reattach the back zipper. Once we get here, you need to flip down the cover. Okay, like all ZEAL Pro covers, this also has one where you can unzip and push your straps through to secure it in place. Make sure that you zip it up to keep the elements out. Last but not least, if you are installing this bag behind a vehicle, you need to install lights. This is the additional light kit you can get. On the back, it has a left foot and a right foot. While looking at the bike, left goes on left, right goes on right. It is attached with a 4-pin trailer plug. This is the left side, we're going to install it. Slides in easily, close the Velcro, and done. Right side is the exact same, push it in, pop the light out. Take your extra cable and throw it over the bike, and you can tie it around your trailer hitch or attach it into the bed of the vehicle depending on where your pin is. I hope this tutorial helped you guys put your new bike covers on so you guys can go out there and enjoy your adventures. This thing is bomb-proof. We really do believe it's the best on the market, so enjoy it.